So, Matty, Southern Gooner, link in the title. We're going live straight after this for an emergency meeting, a world-class star-studded panel of people that have been saying, I told you so. Yeah, and if people don't like hearing I told you so, then tough. It is what it is. However, we have just lost to 10-man Manchester United. 1-0 down, a red card that wasn't a second yellow. We then go on to score from that free kick. We then miss a penalty with our captain, who actually I thought played well in the first half. Second half, I thought he was abysmal. And for the rest of the game was abysmal. But, Matty, we did the watch-along, mate. And it was same old, wasn't it? We've seen the same things, the same patterns. We bring Tierney on and everything goes down the right-hand side with right back Thomas Partey and passing it into Sterling and Odegaard. Talk to me, bro.
Bro, I hate to say we told you so, but we told you so. I told you all who all watched us on Tuesday night that was the beginning of the end for Mikel Arteta. I told you all 2 months ago, I said we're going nowhere under this manager. If you don't believe me, the title is right there. I just said the same title as 2 months ago. Zidane, Max Allegri, Joachim Low, and Sarri. Whether you rate these gentlemen or not, they are unattached. They are available.
Ancelotti might be in a minute.
And Ancelotti might very well be available. And these are all people that can come in and do a job. And if you want to leave it to the summer, bring in a Allegri to be a caretaker. Get a boost his resume, he get back out there, go back to work. Let me say this, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart. I mean what I'm about to say from the bottom of my heart.
Oh, sorry, 1 second. So Stegen's getting a straight red. Oh, no, sorry, it's Szczesny. My bad. It's fucking Szczesny. Yeah, he wipes out Mbappe clean through. Straight red.
Wow.
Sorry, carry on. Sorry, mate.
This manager does not need another cent to be spent. Pound, anything, euro, no money needs to be spent by this manager as long as he is remaining at this football club. No more. Take the credit card away. Take the checkbook away. Well, why do you say that, Matt? We got to do something to improve. Let me tell you why. When you see a player that you spent 65 million pounds on, Kai Havertz, 1, 2, 3, 4 opportunities and cannot score. We had 26 shots on goal today. 1 goal that came from a defender. There's nothing to talk about when it comes to transfer windows with this manager anymore. People stop going out here talking about trying to link us with these players. Stop going on Curtis' show in the mornings trying to link us with players. Stop coming over to Lee asking him about what he thinks about these players. Stop asking troops. Stop hashtagging this. Stop going to talk about, oh, man, I love this guy. What if they're not coming here with this manager. He doesn't need to spend any money. He doesn't need to spend any more money, y'all. No more. He's destitute.
Yep.
He's done. It's over. It's over. This is feeling more and more. Lee, I'm going to say something, Bo. It's feeling more and more like the end of Wenger. When Wenger was losing his mind, when we just started seeing monumental losses. The losses are getting worse, y'all. By the day. We've had a combined almost 50 shots on goal in 2 games. 1 goal. And that came from a defender.
and that came from a
deflection.
from a free kick, from a free kick that there was a couple of phases after that was never a foul in the first place that resulted in a second yellow, and the fact that they hang on, and take it all the way to pens, we're done at it, mate. We got Spurs next.
If we would have played the team Spurs played, we probably would have lost today. Straight up, we probably would have straight up lost to them today. What? Anybody that's still on this Arteta end train is an absolute fool right now. And that's real talk. You know, if you're still supporting this manager, you love this manager more than you care about what's best for the football club. Anybody that's still on board with this madness is locked and loaded, fully in step, in line with the manager. You love the manager more than you love what's best for this football club. It is time to end this. He should have not made it out of the stadium tonight without handing over his badge, his credentials, his passcode, gate code. They should have told him, we'll clean your office out, we'll put it on the truck, and we'll bring it to you.
Yep. Let's see if Real Madrid can come back against 10 men. They've just scored straight from that free kick after Szczesny got straight red. Yeah. Rodrigo pinged it straight in. 5-2 against 10 men. Yeah, they're down by 3. Yeah, there's still half an hour to go. Let's see if Real Madrid can come back.
Lee, we cannot give this manager any money. Don't let him buy nobody. I'm telling you, don't let him do it, because see, everybody's gonna say, man, why are you saying that? Let me tell you what's gonna happen. I'm going to let you know, Lee. I'm gonna let you know. This gonna be a real conversation right now. I'm gonna let everybody know. What does it matter if he spends money, because we're going back to 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th anyway? Don't give him any money. Because then once you get to 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, then they say, well, we spent all the money in January.
Yeah, then the next manager don't get backed.
Bingo! Thank you.
Oh, we ain't got any money. So the next manager set up for failure, like Unai was.
Yep.
Yeah, they won't back him because it ain't super duper Mick. They won't peddle up a whole PR campaign for this guy. Yeah. And now all of a sudden it's, oh, well, you all wanted Arteta.
Yeah, you wanted him out. Yeah. The next manager gets a 40 million pound war chest.
Yeah, he wants this player, he ends up with that player. He wants that player, he ends up with that player. Do you know what, ironically? Yeah, Unai Emery wanted Harry Maguire. Who was the best outfield player today, Matt? On the whole pitch of both teams. Harry Maguire.
Harry Maguire.
Yeah, and that was never a penalty.
Yep. See, this is why I said, Lee, everything is finally coming to fruition now. This manager's out of ideas. He went all the way back down to what won him, what was one of the players that won him the FA Cup. He comes out today. In the last 4 or 5 minutes of that game, I've seen the best crosses that we've seen all week long. In 4 or 5 minutes. He said the player was hurt, by the way. He had to bring him on that pitch today, didn't he? Oh, Let's go talk about Jesus.
Oh, my days. That looks like a 4th knee surgery, Matt.
Yeah, 4.
And
we paid 50 million plus. Let me go down a list of folks right
265 a week,
265 a week. Kai Havertz, 65 million, all the way down the drain. Sterling, you hadn't seen the best. Hadn't seen anything. Calafiore, 12 starts in 31 games. Moreno, 12 starts in 31 games. Neto, 0. And people were telling us 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10. If you don't like what Arteta's doing, Lee, you can up on down the lane. Arteta out. That's what they were saying. Arteta out. They were sitting making memes galore. They was laughing it up. Look at these old men. Look at these fools. What do they know? Look at that Yank. What does he know? He used to go back to throw ball. All this stuff. You hear that? You hear that noise, Lee? Do you stop? You hear this? You hear that? You can hear a rat piss on cotton. It's so quiet.
That was Bruno. Yeah, who dunked on us again?
That was who took a piss on us
again. Yeah,
in the game. Yeah. It's solid now, Lee. and not a reality. The lie that a lot of Arsenal fans have been living for the last 4 to 5 years has been found out. That bill's come due. We told you all that this manager was not the man for the job. You have an opportunity to right this wrong very quickly. Fire this manager and go bring in somebody that's qualified to boost the morale of these players. These players need a boosting. This manager's out of ideas. They're looking at the manager now. After today, they're looking at him and they're going, you know, Saliba's his head is all the way in Madrid. For anybody that has any question, if they say, well, what's going on with Saliba? His head is in Madrid. Los Blancos is what he's thinking about right now.
Yep, and he was wearing Los Blancos shirt.
Exactly. He's wearing a white kit. He's like, this is a dress rehearsal.
Yep.
He's getting ready for Madrid. Saka's got to be sitting up there on his bed looking with the remote on like, man, do I want to come back to this? Mm-hmm. Because you see things different when you ain't there. So he's probably looking at it completely different.
Facts. Matty, go on. Say
I'm going to say this and we're going to shut it down.
Go straight live.
Yeah, I'm going to say this and we're going to shut it down. The longer we wait with this manager, the longer we push it, we keep kicking the can down the road, the worse it's going to get. This, what you saw today, is just another feather in the cap. I'm going to tell y'all this. A lot of fans are going to like this. Wednesday is going to be another one. Then this weekend is going to be another one. And then when we get back in the Champions League, once we get through with Girona, we're going to put some on you too. And then when we get through with Girona, then we go into the knockout phase. We'll get knocked out there because then we'll play another team.
Bigger fish to fry. We'll concentrate on the league.
We're only 4 points behind Liverpool. We're only 6 points behind Liverpool. We've been 6 points behind Liverpool for 2 months.
Yeah.
We've been 6 points behind. You know what? We've been 6 points behind Liverpool, and City's been 6 points behind us the whole time.
Yeah, and who went out and spent? Oh, Man City. Okay.
Sack this manager. No more money. Southern Gooner here on YouTube. Go subscribe. We get ready for this world-class monumental emergency meeting. It's going to be some feelings hurt tonight. I'm telling you all, get ready.
And there's 580 waiting already. So make sure you check it out. We got a star-studded paddle. DJB, Matty, Jez, Northside, Kyle, Brandon, Aaron. I'm going to see if a gal wants to rock up. Yeah, let's see what a gal's saying. Yeah, because he said, let's see at the end of the season, you know, like after he said about trophies don't matter. Yeah, it's about if Slot finishes above him. Cool. Let me send the gal the link. We're out. Everyone out, including that set piece coach. I'm sick of seeing his fucking face. We're out.